Hi, it's Tony here in Pop Pop's workshop. Today I want to talk about a video I recently saw. Keith Johnson, guy makes incredible furniture, and some of the things he does are just phenomenal. But he recently in a video mentioned who pays for you enhancing your skill set. And basically what he said was a lot of the time, sometimes 10, 20, 30, maybe 40 hours extra on a project that he spends, who pays for that? Well, he does it as an act of love for himself, really, basically. He's increasing his skill set. But he said really it's unrealistic for us as woodworkers to make the customer pay for something that we're learning, that we haven't mastered yet. So, for instance, this was my first curved lid. It took way longer, in my estimation, than it should have. I had to, fix some of the mistakes, adjust to all the challenges that it presented. But in the end, it turned out good. I'm pleased with how that turned out. We've got now in our arsenal the ability to do curved lids if a customer wants that. First customer is not paying for you to go to school. You go to school on the first job. Then after that, you've a new skill to add to your repertoire. So that's what we did. We've added a new skill now. The next person that asks for one of these then will pay for that additional skill set. But the first customer, you're learning, and they're getting the benefit of your learning by paying less than the next guy will. So that's what we're doing in the workshop today, enhancing our skill set, hopefully, so that the next time we're even better, we're quicker, turn out a better product. So hopefully you're having a great day in the workshop. Spring is here, it's beautiful. You hear the birds outside the workshop. Kind of makes you want to go outside, but we got work to do. So remember, you can do this.